Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. Mr. Brennan here to explain your Real World Wednesday. With Earth Day coming up, we are going to have you do some projects that are revolving around Earth and benefiting the Earth. So first thing you're going to do is watch this video on the history of Earth, and then you're going to choose one of these 8 options to do for your project. You can observe bird species and identify 5 new to you. You can listen to frogs or toads and identify them. You can repurpose a waste product into something beneficial to the environment. Clean up a roadside, street, park, trail, etc. near you, at least 1 garbage bag full. Clean up a section of lake, shoreline, wetland, or riverbank in your area, at least 1 garbage bag. Build a birdhouse or make a 15-minute observation. So once you've selected that, you'll go down to the section that matches the one that you chose. And then we ask you a few questions based on what you observed or things. The biggest thing that we're looking for is upload a picture or a short video of you completing that project or what you observed out there. So you can see the bird species, add a file there, toads and frogs, put your picture or video or audio file there, your picture of your item that you repurposed, picture of you completing the task of cleaning up. Here's another one with a shoreline, wetland, river cleanup picture or video with that. Building a birdhouse, put a picture on there, making the birdhouse. You can't just use one that you've already made. We want you to do it today. And then just a video or picture of you out making your 15-minute observation. Those are your choices for today, so it's definitely a choice option for you today. I am having this due tomorrow morning by 8 o'clock, so you do have the afternoon and early evening to complete that as well. If you include a sibling in your project, I will give you some bonus points as well, but there needs to be documented proof of that. If you do have questions, please reach out. Enjoy your at-home learning day.